I rejoined the meeting. So what we were doing? We were doing sign convention. What I was telling, for object, H is always taken as positive because object is erect in upward direction. For image, height of image, that is taken as H dash. Two option, if it is real, then it will be inverted, means direction downward, so it will become
Negative.
negative. And if it is virtual,
It'll be positive
e-
because it's a
erect, then it will become positive. Are you okay with it, students?
yes, ma'am.
And what about you? Object distance always taken as
Negative.
negative because we always take on the left side. And what about image distance? We
Positive.
always positive. There are two conditions. If it is real, then it means it is towards the right side, then it is positive. And if it is virtual, then it is towards the left side, then it is negative. Write it down.
Done, ma'am.
Are you getting also, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am.
These all things are related to mirror also. So you revise for mirror, बिल्कुल same thing है, nothing else, बिल्कुल same. And what about focal length? Note it down also. What about focal length? For convex lens we take, for convex lens we take,
Positive. Ma'am, we have written that.
we, okay, okay. And for concave, negative. Yes, we have written that, correct. And I explained you with diagram also. Now let me know. Prisha, Ayukta,
Ma'am,
Ishan,
ma'am, the image distance will of real image will be negative.
means you are saying V.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
मैम आपने ही लिखवाया था
किधर लिखवाया मैंने?
ये पीछे लिखवाया बहुत
मैंने किधर लिखवा दिया? आई एम नॉट गेटिंग. Ayukta, listen to me. If image is formed in this way, it means it is real. It is actually formed. Then it is positive. Okay?
अच्छा
हाँ, कुछ अगर मैंने लिखवाया है तो मिस्टेक हुआ होगा.
मैम ये आप ये लेंस के लिए है ना
हाँ, ये लेंस के लिए. एंड देखो इमेज ये वाला बन रहा है. दिस इज वर्चुअल. इट इज ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, देन इट इज टेकन एज नेगेटिव. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, till here all of you are okay completely?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ishan, read example 10.3.
A concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Also, find the magnification produced by the lens.
Students, we will do this numerical. Are you having books with you, textbooks, all of you? Because
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will explain on another screen. Otherwise what you do, you can write it down. Ishan, do you have book with you? Prisha and
Yes,
Ayukta?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
यस मैम
okay, okay. Then we are doing this numerical, but I will explain on another screen because here we are not having space. While when I will explain, you have to write with me. You have to write with me. Here in the question it is given, information is given for which lens? Students, anybody can reply.
Concave lens.
For concave lens, these informations are given. For concave lens, what is given? Focal length of
Ma'am, focal length
15 centimeter. Focal length, it is denoted by
F
F.
f, and focal length of concave lens is taken as
minus
negative 15 centimeter. Students, do with me. Don't think firstly we will listen, after that we will write. I am writing very slowly, you write with me. Okay. Next is, at what distance should the object from the lens? So what they are asking? They are asking about object distance, which is shown by
U.
small u. This is question mark. And after that, from the lens should be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter. So image distance
minus 10 centimeter.
V, ma'am.
V.
v. Prisha, can you tell me why we will take v here with negative sign minus 10 centimeter?
Ma'am, because it's the image distance and image is always from मतलब
I
दूसरी
concave lens always form virtual and
and erect.
erect. So virtual means towards the which side, Thanya? Left side, right side?
Right. Left.
Left side. That's why it
Left.
will be taken as negative.
Negative.
Okay. And what is the lens formula?
1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U.
1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by f we will write 1 by minus
10.
15
Oh, sorry.
है कोई बात नहीं. 1 by v 1 upon minus 10 minus 1 by u. Solve this expression for the value of u. Ishan, are you getting? Ishan, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 by u बिल्कुल सेम है, मिरर फॉर्मूला भी ऐसे ही करते हैं अप्लाई. What will be the LCM of 10 and 15? 30. Minus 3 plus 2. 1 by u is equal to minus 1 by 30. So u we are getting minus 30 centimeter. As u with negative sign. What it shows, Thanya, as u with negative sign?
Object is on the left.
Object is on the left, nothing else. So object distance 30 centimeter. Now, Ishan, what is the formula of magnification?
Ma'am, height of the image upon height of the object.
But here we don't know about the height. So we will take simply this formula, V by U. V is minus 10, U is minus 30. So it will become 1 by 3 in decimal form. Prisha, 1 by 3 in decimal form it will become
Uh, 3 point.
0.33 plus
हाँ
का
0.3.
0.33. देखो, we are getting positive sign. Ayukta, what it shows? That image is in magnification,
Image is real.
image is virtual and erect.
Oh, yeah, right.
And it is
Because
diminished.
virtual and erect, very good. And as m is less than 1, therefore it is diminished. And please confirm one thing, all of you are okay with this numerical or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayukta and Thanya,
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
clear. ठीक है. Can I erase it? Have you written also?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Ma'am, just a second.
Who have done? Read next numerical, next example. प्रिशा आपको भी आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
ये चैप्टर भी बस अभी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. Thanya, I will share questions of first chapter, chemical reaction and equations, which are provided by CBSE.
Yes, ma'am. But we didn't do anything after displacement.
Oh, sorry, sorry. It is still left. Okay, okay. After completing the
Ma'am,
chapter, I will share. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. Also, there is no science test, ma'am. It will be after the summer vacation.
Okay. Yes, Ayukta.
मैम आपने इधर 1/u इज इक्वल टू -3 + 2 क्यों लिखा है?
देखो, I will take LCM of 10 and 15
हाँ.
as 30.
यस मैम.
10 threes are 30. So 3 ones are 3. 15 twos are 30. Means simple as we do in fractions.
अच्छा, ओके.
Simple. And after that we will take reciprocal of it. Who have done this numerical? Try example. Next 10.4 it is in my book. Maybe in your book number is changed. These questions are very simple. Make data, what is given, what is to be asked. Compare it with Cartesian plane. Okay. Done
मैम
students?
आप 9.4 बोल रहे हो क्या?
हाँ हाँ. In my book it is 10.4, but in your book it is 9.4. Students, have you done this numerical? Ishan and Ayukta,
Yes, ma'am.
what about Ayukta?
मैम जस्ट अ सेकंड.
Ayukta, can I erase one side?
यस मैम.
Thanya, read next numerical.
Yes, ma'am.
Slowly, slowly, Thanya, you read so
Uh,
that
a,
I can prepare data also.
a 2.0 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens
Hmm.
of focal length 10 centimeter.
Height of the
The
object means.
distance
Hmm.
the distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeters.
Hmm.
Find the nature, position and size of the image. Also find its magnification.
Hmm. Focal length is given 10
10
centimeter.
centimeters.
And also object distance.
15 centimeter.
Object distance.
Minus 15.
u is equal to 15. अभी मैं I am writing without sign. And image distance they are asking for
Yes, ma'am.
v, they are asking, and height of the image
2.0 centimeter.
e I dash, sorry, height of the image h dash they are asking. हाँ भाई ईशान, height of the object h will be taken as positive or negative?
Positive.
Very good, because it is in upward direction. Ayukta, focal length f is taken as negative, positive for convex lens? Here
Positive.
for convex lens it is taken as positive.
Positive.
What about Prisha, object distance?
Ma'am, negative. When
N-
minus 15.
Negative. And image distance v and height of the image h dash we have to calculate. Students, write down lens formula. Thania, what is lens formula?
1 by V minus 1 by U gives 1 by F.
F. Ishan, what is the value of v here?
-15.
कहाँ लिखा है?
अच्छा दी नहीं, सॉरी दी नहीं.
Aikta, can I erase right side also?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not given. So what we will do? 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. 1 by v 15. अच्छा ये तो same है as in last we have done. What is the LCM of 10 and 15?
30.
So 10 3s are 13, 3, 15 2s are, so it will become 1 by v is equal to 1 by 30. तो v का वैल्यू कितने सेंटीमीटर आ गया? 30.
0 point. अच्छा नहीं.
हाँ हाँ, it is 30 simply. Reciprocal. Ishan, as it is positive sign, so what it will shows?
Ma'am,
If
it shows it is in the positive line.
positive means on right side.
Yes.
And if it is on the right side, Thanya, then what about the nature of image? Virtual erect, real inverted. इस side ये बन रही है.
Real,
हाँ, इस side
real
बनती है
and
real and inverted.
inverted.
So we have to note it down. The positive sign V shows the image is formed. You can write from your book, otherwise I am writing the image. ऐसे लिखो पहले, positive signs, positive sign shows. और एक बात और students, what you do here, you can write positive. The positive sign of V shows that the image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeter on the other side of the optical center. If it is on the other side, the image is real, and if it is real, it is always inverted. Okay, students, have you written from right side? Sorry, left side of this paper. We will calculate now magnification. Otherwise, what I am doing, I am writing here. This is the second part of the question. What is the formula of magnification, Prisha?
Ma'am, h dash upon h, which is also equal to v by
U.
u.
And देखो स्टूडेंट, magnification m is equal to h dash by h v by u. Here they are asking about the h dash also. सो h डैश ऐसा का ऐसे ही. व्हाट अबाउट h? वैल्यू ऑफ h इज ईशान
Ma'am, value of h is equal to h v no
2.
v upon u. H multiply v upon u. h dash की ना.
हाँ बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग h का वैल्यू क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में. ठीक है चलो आपकी बात भी. वैल्यू ऑफ v इज 30. वी जस्ट कैलकुलेटेड एंड u इज -15. So h dash we are getting from this one. Tanya, can you tell me? 15 2s are 30. H dash will come
Ma'am, minus 4.2.
minus of
minus 2.
4 centimeter. If h dash height of the image is negative, then image is real and
Inverted.
inverted. They are asking about the image distance we calculated. They are asking about the position and also its magnification. So magnification, what will it become? It is simply v by u.
मैम मुझे एक डाउट है.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम की h डैश बाय h इज इक्वल टू v बाय u किया ना हमने.
h dash, हाँ ये करके फर्स्टली वी कैलकुलेटेड द वैल्यू ऑफ h डैश. फिर अभी हम सिंपली v बाय u करके वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग मैग्निफिकेशन. मैग्निफिकेशन इज रेशियो सो देयर विल बी नो यूनिट. इट इज
मैम
-2.
पर ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हुआ क्या?
हाँ
तो वो
इधर क्रॉस से क्या है,
हाँ.
इधर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से वी कैलकुलेटेड वैल्यू ऑफ h डैश and here magnification is -2 centimeter. Aikta, did you get this numerical?
Yes, ma'am.
Aikta, what about the image? It will be enlarged, diminished or equal?
Ma'am, diminished.
Acha, Prisha, what you say about it?
मैम वो डबल एनलार्ज होगी.
Enlarged होगी.
क्यों?
Aikta, क्योंकि m का वैल्यू 2 आया है. Here if you are
अच्छा,
observing,
वेट हुआ. मैम मैंने -4 देख लिया था.
कोई बात नहीं. अगर आपने -4 देखा देन इट विल ऑल्सो बी एनलार्ज्ड बिकॉज वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 1. जो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव साइन होते हैं दैट शोज केवल दैट द इमेज इज वर्चुअल और इरेक्ट, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. ओके
ओके.
ईशान, did you get this numerical?
Yes, ma'am.
What about Thanya, Prisha and Ayukta?
यस मैम.
Can I start new topic and the
Yes,
last topic of this chapter?
yes, ma'am.
Now write down the heading power of lens. All of you have written this numerical?
Ma'am, just a minute.
यस मैम.
Okay. After the class revise these two numericals. जितना क्लास में हुआ है वैसे तो सब रिवाइज करना चाहिए. कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ही सिंपल है. राइट डाउन द हेडिंग पावर ऑफ अ लेंस. Firstly, I will explain this topic and after that very easily you can get this. Ayukta, take help from the book. All the same things I have written, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am starting new topic, power of lens. Students, firstly listen to me very carefully and after that you will easily get. The topic which we are doing, it is power of lens. Um, Tanya, what you understand by the word power? Students, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Okay,
don't know how to define or explain it.
okay, no problem. Anybody else who can explain the word power only? In term of lens, I will explain. चलो मैं
मैम
बताती हूँ।
लेंस की मैम काबिलियत।
का
I think। मैम अब इस वर्ड का लेंस ही बताया मैंने वैसे।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बात है, लेंस की काबिलियत देख रहे हैं हम। देखो स्टूडेंट, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस is also known as
डाइवर्जिंग लेंस।
Diverging.
कन्वर्जिंग।
converging
हाँ,
because it
lens
lens
converging है.
because it contracts the ray। देखो मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना है, एक बार आपने सुन लिया द टॉपिक विल बी कंप्लीटली क्लियर, बस फिर लर्निंग का काम रह जाएगा। देखो रेज यहाँ आ रही हैं, आ गई। हो सकता है इस लेंस से रे ऐसे, यहाँ इसका फोकस है, ये पैरेलल आ रही है, मींस फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी रेज आर कमिंग, तो ये यहाँ आ गई। हो सकता है इन दिस लेंस, आई एम गिविंग नेम दिस वन 1 2, रे आ रही हैं एंड इट कन्वर्ट्स at this point, this is its focal। In both lenses friends, you can see rays are coming from infinity parallel to principal axis, and after converging towards they will go towards f1, means focus say they will go। So what you will say, that the power of this lens is greater or power of this lens is greater, one or two?
मैम सेकंड।
Anyone else?
मैम दोनों भी तो F1 से ही जा रही है ना।
नहीं 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 नहीं, you observe this distance, वो तो f1 होगा ही।
अच्छा।
This one, suppose this one 2 centimeter, this focal length, and this one is 6 centimeter। थानिया,
मैम मेरे हिसाब से 1।
हिसाब से 1 हो गया। कैन यू टेल मी हिसाब कैसे लगा ये?
मैम क्योंकि कॉन्वेक्स लेंस कन्वर्ज करता है
हाँ
रेस को, तो वो
ठीक,
क्लोजर आना चाहिए, नॉट दूर।
ठीक है। व्हाट अबाउट थानिया?
Just a second, ma'am. I'll be back.
देखो स्टूडेंट्स, इन 1 एंड 2, देखो लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली। रे ऐसे जा रही है और थोड़ा सा मैंने टिल्ट कर दिया, उसमें मुझे पावर कम लगी। रे ऐसे जा रही है और मुझे बहुत सारा टिल्ट करना है, तो उसमें मुझे पावर ज्यादा लगी। इट मींस लेंस 1 हैज मोर पावर देन लेंस 2। आर यू ओके विद
मैम
इट?
हाउ।
क्योंकि आप देख सकते हैं लेंस 1 में उसे ज्यादा फोर्स लगा के ज्यादा कन्वर्ज करना पड़ा, बट इन लेंस 2 उसे इतना सीधा जा रहा था, हल्का सा टिल्ट होकर काम बन गया, फोकल लेंथ की तरफ चला गया। आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट आयुक्ता?
यस मैम।
तो इट मींस power is of lens 1 is greater than power of lens 2। Are you completely okay with it students?
यस मैम।
one more thing one more thing students, here focal length is less than of lens 1 is less than the focal length of lens 2,
हाँ
then if focal length is less, then power is
हायर।
higher। It means what is the relation between power
मैम
and
इट
focus?
क्या बोलते हैं वो साइन देते हैं हम?
हाँ, inversely proportional।
हाँ, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल।
हाँ भैया, वन बाय वन मुझे बताओ। ईशान, डिड यू गेट द टॉपिक? पावर क्या है, कितना उसका कन्वर्जिंग पावर है। इन केस ऑफ कॉनकेव लेंस वी विल टेक डाइवर्जिंग पावर, कितना उसका डाइवर्जिंग पावर है। इफ एक सेकेंड, रे इज डाइवर्ज मोर देन लेस फोकल लेंथ and more power, so what is the relation between focal length and power? They are inversely proportional। थान्या, थान्या नहीं है क्लास में।
back, ma'am.
Okay, Thanya, did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I heard
You
you.
got all the things?
Yes, ma'am.
Prisha, Ayukta, Ishan. Only learning work is left, but let me know concept you got or not.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I am highlighting the part which you have to write. The ability of a lens to converge or diverge ray depends on its focal length. For example, a convex lens of short focal length bends the light ray through the large angles by focusing them closer to the optical center. ये सब लिखना, थोड़ा एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा हो जाएगा. कॉन्केव लेंस ऑफ वेरी शॉर्ट फोकल लेंथ causes higher divergence than the one with the longer focal length. ये तो आपने दिया है एक समरी टाइप. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल राइट डेफिनेशन टाइप. The degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by a lens is expressed in terms of power. Suppose in examination you are getting the definition of power, you will write this line. Suppose you are getting 2 mark question, you will write yellow part also. And formula in both case you have to write the power of lens. ये पूरा ही लिखना है एक तरीके से. Is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. It is represented by letter P. The power P of a lens of focal length f is given by P is equal to, केवल we have already learnt that, ये इसमें छोड़ना है, बाकी सब लिखना है. Ticket and after the class you can write. Thanya,
Yes, ma'am.
after the class you can write.
Ma'am, I've written most
Written.
of it.
Okay. Ishan, Prisha and Ayukta, after the class you can write.
Yes, ma'am.
Now after that you have to remind this thing. Actually you have to write in points. SI unit of power of a lens, diopter, denoted by letter D. देखो एक बात और आपको ध्यान रखनी पड़ेगी. If f is expressed in meters, then power is expressed in diopter. ये ध्यान रखना बच्चों. In this formula, if f is in meter, then it is in diopter. After that you will write the heading 1 diopter. What is 1 diopter? It is the power of lens whose focal length is 1 meter. We can say 1 diopter is equal to 1 meter inverse. ये फिर आप एक हेडिंग बनाकर देंगे. Power of convex lens is positive. Can anyone tell me why power of convex lens is positive? Because focal length of convex lens is, जो हम फोकल लेंथ लेते हैं कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का वो पॉजिटिव लेते हैं, तो इसलिए इसका पावर भी क्या आ गया, पॉजिटिव आ गया. और इन केस ऑफ कॉनकेव लेंस इट विल बिकम
Negative.
नेगेटिव. अच्छा, अगर हमें डॉक्टर ने, जो ऑप्टिशियंस होते हैं आई डॉक्टर, उन्होंने +2.0 डायोप्टर दिया है, इट मींस प्लस दिया है, तो विच टाइप ऑफ लेंस दे हैव गिवन?
Convex.
Convex.
And if they have given -2.5 diopter, then
Concave.
Concave.
why convex, why concave, we will read in next chapter when we will do eye chapter. Let me know one by one.
Human
Ishan,
mind and the colorful world.
Ishan, are you okay with it? All the things which we have done in during today's
Yes,
class.
ma'am.
Yes beta, ये note down करना है. You have to prepare these notes also. Prisha,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubt?
नहीं
मैम
मैम.
नेक्स्ट पेज पे भी जो येलो पार्ट अभी दिखा
हाँ,
रहे हो आप, ये भी करना है.
ये भी इसमें पूरा ही लिखना है. ये टॉपिक ऐसा इन्होंने, जैसे ऐसा आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो, लेंस प्रिस्क्राइब्ड हैज पावर इक्वल टू +2.0 डायोप्टर, दिस मींस लेंस इज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड एज कॉन्वेक्स. थान्या, Did
Yes,
you
ma'am.
get all the things?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
And have you written also?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो power is given minus 2.5 diopter. Then what about focal length? It is 1 by p.
हाँ.
So 0.40 meter. Directly formula based question. Power is given negative. Focal length we calculated. And as it is negative, therefore lens is concave, convex,
Concave.
Concave.
concave. One more thing I want to say here, student, it is not in your book. You can note it down. If f is given in centimeter, f is given in centimeter, then p will become 100 by f. This is the formula. If f in meter, simple 1 by f. If f is in centimeter, then 100 by f. After that,
Then
hmm,
P will become
100 by f. Okay. Sometime what happens is, friends, in one lens means suppose we are having high defect, so more than one lens will work. So different power lens are provided. In that case, power is given by the sum of individual powers. Okay. And plus and minus sign we put according to convex and concave lens. Suppose P1 is equal to plus 2.25D. Ishan, as it is given plus, then it is convex lens, concave lens.
Convex.
हाँ, and एक सेकेंड इसमें आप लिखो 2.0 diopter and P2 is given plus 0.25 diopter. Then total power will become P1 plus P2 means 2.
2.25.
0.25 means simple 2.25 diopter. Okay. Thanya, read this one more to know.
Yes, ma'am. Many optical instruments consist of a number of lenses. They are combined to increase the magnification and sharpness of the image. The net power P of the lenses placed in contact is given by the algebraic sum of the individual powers P1, P2, P3 as P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 etc. Continue.
Hmm.
The use of powers instead of focal lengths for lenses is quite convenient for opticians. During eye testing, an optician puts several different combinations of corrective lenses of known power in contact inside the testing spectacles frame. The optician calculates the power of the lenses required by simple algebraic addition. For example, a combination of two lenses of power 2.0D and 0.25D is equivalent to a single lens of power 2.25D. The simple additive property of the powers of lenses can be used to design lens systems to minimize certain defects in images produced by a single lens. Such a lens system, consisting of several lenses in contact, is commonly used in the design of lenses of camera, microscopes, and telescopes.
Very good. Students, you got the point? When the lenses are formed by the combination of several lenses, so the power is given by the algebraic sum. Students, let me know one thing. What is the difference between simple sum and algebraic sum? Trisha?
मैम algebraic sums may have क्या बोलते हैं मैम letters in it.
नहीं, लेटर्स नहीं, वी टेक विथ साइन.
मतलब
मतलब जैसे इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस It is positive. In case of concave lens, it is negative. So we will take with sign, प्लस माइनस इन साइन के साथ वी विल टेक.
तो सिंपल सम में हम लोग साइन नहीं लेते?
नहीं, जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा ऐड 2 and 3, सो सिंपल 2 plus 3 you will do. And suppose I am saying add 2 minus 3, so how will you take 2 plus minus 3? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ayukta,
ma'am.
you also.
नहीं मैम.
बेटे इसमें क्या हुआ, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है देन पॉजिटिव,
हाँ.
कॉनकेव लेंस है देन नेगेटिव. तो हम जो वैल्यू लेंगे विद साइन लेंगे. मतलब कभी आप सोचो कि कॉनकेव लेंस का पावर सपोज -3 डायोप्टर है, तो इस साइन को आपको लेना पड़ेगा. एज वी आर डूइंग in numericals, we have done all the things with sign.
Okay.
Israel, now chapter is completed. This week, Ishan, many things of mirrors we have revised while doing the lens. ठीक है, तो अब आपको पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ना है. ये वाले क्वेश्चंस व्हाट यू हैव लर्नड एंड एक्सरसाइज ये आपको कर कर रखनी है दिस वीक. नेक्स्ट वीक आई विल डू करेक्शन.
Ma'am,
यस.
I won't be able to do any homework.